Hi and welcome to this Grafterr operator app demo with quick pay for takeaway. In this demo, we will show the steps to quickly and easily managing your takeaway orders via the operator app and also managing online orders coming through. On the operator app, your menu can be completely customizable to meet the business's operational requirements. You can also specify which service types you wish to be available on the top left corner of the screen, and also set a default option to allow you to place orders more quickly. Each menu item has the option to include item descriptions, ingredients, allergen and calorie information, and this detail is available to all customers ordering across our product range. To place an order, just select the relevant product. The default service type has been selected in this example, and items will be added to the order screen accordingly. As items are being added to the order, the red cash with change buttons will update dynamically, and also the blue exact card and cash buttons will also be available to be selected. If an order is being paid for after being sent to the kitchen, or at the end of the meal for example, the orange order button can be selected, or alternatively, for more payment options, the green pay button can be selected. In this example here, we will select £35 for cash with change. This now completes the order. And for example, we can add these orders onto the item, select the exact amount, and the order is completed that quickly.